In this video guys, I'll be telling you how can you hide apps on iPad. What you have to do guys, you just need to before just make sure you have made mind how can you which app you want to hide. Like I want to hide my calculator app, just hold it, or I would say I would like to hide some other app like notepad will be better. Now to hide your app you have to choose you require touch ID. Just tap on it, and it will say you will have three options here: require touch ID, or hide and require touch ID, and cancel. So you have to choose the second option, and hide and require the touch ID. If you choose the first option, it means you just lock the application, but the application will be visible to everyone. So you have to choose this hide and require a touch ID. So what it will do guys, it will hide your application, and just tap on it and it will be hidden from here. So how can you check your hidden apps? So you will see here's a new folder created by the hidden name. Just tap on it and just verify your touch ID, and you will be able to see your hidden application. Just open it. Yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.